The chef is cooking delicious food.
The chef is cooking delicious food.
The train is arriving at the station.
The train is arriving at the station.
The cat is chasing a mouse.
The cat is chasing a mouse.
The workers are building a house.
The workers are building a house.
The clock is ticking on the wall.
The clock is ticking on the wall.
The mechanic is fixing the car.
The mechanic is fixing the car.
The baby is crawling on the floor.
The baby is crawling on the floor.
The children are playing with toys.
The children are playing with toys.
The teacher is helping the students.
The teacher is helping the students.
The dog is barking loudly.
The dog is barking loudly.
The kids are swimming in the pool.
The kids are swimming in the pool.
The birds are flying in the sky.
The birds are flying in the sky.
Sarah is riding her bike.
Sarah is riding her bike.
Dad is mowing the lawn.
Dad is mowing the lawn.
Mom is washing the dishes.
Mom is washing the dishes.
The baby is giggling happily.
The baby is giggling happily.
The students are raising their hands.
The students are raising their hands.
The firefighters are putting out the fire.
The firefighters are putting out the fire.
The chef is tasting the soup.
The chef is tasting the soup.